Viewers, this is MSGDTD with another random pack booster opening, and we're gonna roll a dice to see which booster pack we're gonna open. Last pack we opened an Ash Cloud Phoenix, so we got our value in that, but yep, so this is gonna be odds and even. Let's see the roll. It's a 3. So it's gonna be, I don't even know which one this one is. But yeah, let's try to open with one hand again. Oh, come on. Come on. You'll watch this from near mint to moderately played just because I can't open the booster pack. Oh, damn it. Okay, almost there. Come on, let's do it. Yeah. Okay, we got it. Okay. Our first comment is wave feet. Sorry about that, everyone. Bloodfire Expert, Spike the Monstrous, Glacial Stalker, Rotting Mastodon. A lot of same comments from the first pack. Savage Punch, Ponyback Brigade, pretty OP. Long Shot Squad, Swiftwater Cliffs, Throttle's pretty good. Abzan Charm again. Secret Away, really good. Tuskguard Captain, and our rare is Meandering Tower Shell. Damn it, man, all that effort. Well, follow us on Twitch. It is Twitch, www.twitch.tv Divining Top Deck, and we'll be playing a lot of casual commander and doing a lot of deck techs too. See you then.